Good evening. How is everybody? I have some really wonderful news today, and that is that my vehicle reached 260,000 miles. This is a 2003 Ford Freestar minivan. The first year that they came out, actually. And so it is an American-made vehicle. And being homeless, I've been able to maintain it just enough to where it has been able to withstand a lot of wear. And driving, I've replaced many parts as cheap as I could, and it now has 260,000. I expect it to make it another 10,000. If I'm lucky enough, it'll make it to 300,000 in the near future, and I will do another video on it. So as you can see, a lot of the interior buttons have worn off. The stereo and the steering wheel, as a result of all the years of extreme handling with everything. So I'm very, very impressed with the quality of Ford that they put into these vans with a 4.2 liter. So if you have one, I highly recommend it. But every couple of days you have to get out and check all of your hoses, all of your cables, all of the critical vital parts under the hood, because I do have a mechanical background. And being homeless, I've lived in it for 6 years, and surprisingly it's lasted me this long. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please take care. Have a wonderful evening, and I would like for you to subscribe if you could.